Foodie's back with another mukbang, and this one is from Domino's. It looks like they ordered a meal for 4 people, with 2 medium pizzas, 10 pieces of chicken, some potato wedges, and a 2.25 liter of Coke. When you add in the extra order of dynamite wings, it comes out to 12 Kuwaiti dinar. That's 52.65 Canadian dollars and 39.34 US dollars. While that wouldn't be too bad for 4 people, it's not all that great for 2. In any case, let's take a look.
I'm hungry. So I have Domino's, as you can see. I have some spiced potato wedges. Some chicken wings. Some chicken bites. I'm gonna put barbecue. Some, I think, yeah, stuffed crust Domino's supreme pizza. All right. I don't know, I was craving wings, but you know how I am about wings. Beauty bite. They're tender. I'm so hungry. Cheesy. I'm gonna dip it in dynamite sauce. I don't need to drink out of a glass. That's about it. I'll save the, just taking out the cheese. I'll save the rest. Not much left, but whatever. Dynamite sauce is spicy.
In order to estimate the macros for this meal, I had to make some substitutions. We'll use the nutritional information from Pizza Hut for their medium stuffed crust pizza, also supreme. Like Domino's, it's a 12-inch pizza with a mozzarella stuffed crust and very similar toppings. These are the stats for 1 slice of pizza in an 8-slice pie. The other thing I needed to estimate was the dynamite sauce. Now, reading the description, it pretty much sounds like sriracha mayo, so I did 2 tablespoons of that. Now, they split the sides, like the potato wedges and the boneless chicken and the wings, but she did have her own little cup of barbecue sauce. When it comes to the soda, we'll guess that she drank about 1 liter of full sugar Coke. It looked like the bottle was about half full or just under, and she probably drank some while she set it all up. In all, this came out to 3,534 calories, 154 grams of fat, over 7,400 milligrams of sodium, 421 grams of carbs, 143 grams of which were sugar. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you.